said, I'm curious, what other, besides those tools, what are you seeing customers move out of the data center? And actually, more importantly, what do they tend to want to hold on to on-prem?
Yeah, so for, Chuck, be familiar with this talk track, right? It's a common theme of mine, right? You talk about workloads, right? And that's really what it comes down to, workloads and data. Where are you going to run them? How are you going to support them? How are you going to protect them? If something bad happens to them, how do you recover from that? So, it goes back to the three premises there, right? The laws of physics, right? Big chunks of data are really slow to move around, and typically you need to have compute near them to do things with them, right? So that's going to help drive, where those workloads and where that data lives. Economics, right? Is it cheaper to run static workloads in my own data center? Many times, yes. For things like variable workloads that are bursty and have peaks and valleys, and you can spin them down when you don't need them. The cloud makes a lot of sense from an economics point of view. And then the laws of governance, right? Governance and security. If you have a customer that says that are working under a certain set of laws or rules that say this data or these workloads cannot sit in a public cloud, they have to be in your own data center. Well, that's easy. That's an easy conversation. So, a lot of companies and customers have a mindset of, if I can replace a complex 3-tier app with a SaaS offering and it checks 80% of the boxes, I'm going to do that, right? I spent a lot of time in my early career at Arraya implementing solutions to support multiple terabyte exchange environments, selling storage, selling backup, selling compute. I can't remember the last time that really I had to architect a solution for an on-prem exchange environment. That workload is just gone, right? And that's just a prime example. Not gone, but in a different spot. That's not a traditional data center spot. It's really a SaaS play.
Sure, but in 2010, that might have had the biggest footprint in your data center.
Yeah, we sold a lot of storage and backup solutions to support those multi-terabyte exchange environments. That's just one example. Yep.
How big's your mailbox?